Hi there, I'm Emlal Sapkota. I'm from Best PT Center. I have been teaching in Best PT Center. I'm tutor of Best PT Center. PT is one of the leading English tests in the world. It is the computer-based examination. Those students who want to achieve high marks in their English test, definitely they are attempting the PT test. So PT incorporates 4 skills. They are reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Speaking and writing in one section, and then reading and listening. Today we are discussing about one of the most important tasks of PT, speaking. PT speaking read aloud. Read aloud incorporates high marks in PT. What is the marking criteria? The marking criteria is speaking 20 marks and reading 20 marks. What are the skill tests here? The skills are oral fluency as well as pronunciation. All PT is counted in 90. Oral fluency 90 and pronunciation 90. Those students who want to achieve high marks in their reading test, definitely they should read the text aloud. Read the text well. Because marks goes for reading as well. What are the things we need to do while reading the text? At first, we need to speak at normal volume. Because you have already given 40 seconds to prepare and 40 seconds for the response. So, in the preparation time, read the text 2 times. If you read the text 2 times, definitely you'll read the text truly at the time of recording. You listen the beep sound. After listening the beep sound, then you can start reading. Then you should not leave out any words. And you should not add any words. While reading, do not begin at the beginning. Correct and keep on reading. At last, you should click the next and move on. So, friend, if you want to achieve high marks in speaking read aloud, you need to be spontaneous. Spontaneous means oral fluency. Oral fluency is very important here. Oral fluency and pronunciation. We cannot copy their accent. We cannot copy the accent of American people or British people or Australian people or any other people living around the world. Just we need to copy their style. We need to copy their style. Suppose domestication is an evolutionary rather than a political development. While reading this, domestication is in the beginning, you should have rising tone. You should maintain your rising tone. The domestication is an evolutionary. Domestication is an evolutionary rather than a political development. At last, you need to have falling tone. So rising and falling tone, these are called intonation. Intonation is very important. So suppose communication, development. These are the ways to achieve high marks in test. So friend, please, if you really want to achieve high marks in test, please visit Best PT Center. Our students are getting 90 out of 90 in speaking, and some students are getting more than 80. Very few students are getting 70 and 60 in speaking. So if you really want to achieve high marks in test, please visit Best PT Center. Thank you for watching this.